Welcome back to Turbo Rider. Today, I'm going to introduce the all-new 2025 Kawasaki KX500, a legendary dirt bike that's made a powerful comeback in the world of motocross, engine and performance. The 2025 KX500 is powered by a 499 cubic centimeters, two-stroke, liquid-cooled engine, built for raw speed and incredible acceleration. It produces around 63 horsepower and 75 Newton-meters of torque, making it one of the most powerful bikes in its class. With electronic fuel injection, a 5-speed manual gearbox, and electric plus kickstart options, it delivers smooth and reliable performance in every ride. Chassis and suspension. The bike features a lightweight aluminum perimeter frame, weighing just 111 kilograms, giving it excellent agility and control. It's equipped with show-adjustable suspension, a 49mm inverted front fork and unitrack rear shock, perfect for jumps, rough terrains, and high-speed turns. Brakes and control. For stopping power, Kawasaki added 270mm front and 240mm rear pedal disc brakes, ensuring strong and precise braking under any condition. Whether you're racing or trail riding, you'll always stay in control. Technology and features. The KX500 includes advanced features like launch control mode, dual power mapping, and a handlebar-mounted map switch. These allow riders to instantly switch between standard and aggressive power modes. Optional LED lights and a sleek digital display add to the modern setup. Design and styling. With its iconic KX green color, aerodynamic body panels, and slim seat design, the 2025 KX500 looks fast even when standing still. It's aggressive, stylish, and built for real races. Conclusion. Overall, the 2025 Kawasaki KX500 is not just a dirt bike, it's a symbol of power, precision, and performance. It's built for riders who crave speed, control, and adventure. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.